What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the Trump token on Coinbase. In today's video we are going to explain you how you can buy the Trump token on Coinbase very easily. So for the first step you will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have a Coinbase account yet, then you can simply sign up through the link in the description and get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So once you have created the account, you can log into your account and then you will arrive at this home page. For the first step, we will go to the search bar and there you can see different currencies, different tokens. We will type in Trump, and once you have done that, you will see the Trump token, as you can see. We will click on it. Now you'll arrive at the token page and you can see the current price is at $13. That is very high. As you can see, it's going up again. It went down with the price action and now it's slowly going up again. So this is the best moment to buy the Trump token again. And once you are arrived at this page, you can see you need the Coinbase wallet. You can simply create a Coinbase wallet by clicking on this button. Once you have created the wallet, you can buy the Trump token on your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. See you!